Welcome to the fourth installation of our Ulu Baram Discovery series. Today, we've traveled further than ever to reach one of the most remote Penan settlements in the state, Lamai. Before we head in, if you're enjoying this journey through the heart of Sarawak, please hit that subscribe button and support the channel. Your support means so much, and I appreciate it. On the way to Banga, but we decided to stop at Balong here and make a trip to Lamai, which is a Penan village and famous for making handicrafts, right? I'll send you the link of my video 2 years ago on the craft trip to Lamai. So here we are at the river. From here we have to take the riverbank because the rapids are quite choppy, so to speak. Back in the boat, jalan lagi, teruskan perjalanan. Lamai. Oh, ini pilot saya dulu nih. Hai. Aduh, lupa saya nama. Ding, ya. Oh. Apa kabar? Sehat?
Sehat.
Baguslah, bagus.
Kita pergi tempat dulu, balai.
Boleh. Kita pergi balai. Long Lamai. Boat ride from our starting point just now 1 hour plus. 1 hour plus. So this one's the Unimas Research Center. Unimas built this. Oh, Unimas built it. The CSR program for the research. Tapi macam terabai aja. Nobody using it for research.
Oh, yang lalu baru buat lah.
Lama pakai lupa. Yang sebelah kampung. Kita dah sedia macam tu. Sebenarnya saya sedia.
Mr. Gayut dia bertemu lagi Mr. Gayut. Wah ini baru. Check it out.
This is classic.
Sudah ada canvas kamu.
Ada.
Oh, Kingfisher.
Interesting yang sikit. Juga kapisan dan kebiasaan. Kemudian yang berada di sebelah cermin keras tapi dia soto Malaysia dia bisa maksudnya.
Ya.
Sedihnya.
Mana?
Tu berat nak air batu saya tak kena.
No slip.
Nama tu.
But jerin nutan.
Daripada tumbuhan.
Jerin tu. Kaya.
Apa namanya?
Jerin nutan.
Jerin hutan tu.
Ya. Bisik besar gignya selalunya.
Tu dia tuai ke?
Ya kering bisik besarnya. Yang mai kena ngurut moyangnya lah.
Ya. Dia kena pandai ke pandai?
Yang tu pun saya tak pandai. Ada yang punya masih tanda dia kecil tapi ada bunga.
Terpencil. Wow, 340. So that's 1 hour. 1 hour boat ride from Long Lamai. Oh, sakit buntut. So but what very interesting. Yay, back at Long Banga. Now heading to our homestay for the evening. I think we're staying at Supang, the same accommodation we stayed during my last visit here in 2023. It's a good to be back in Banga. Yep. Good morning guys. Apa
Selamat
program?
membam.
Apa program?
Tengok ladang kopi.
Yeah.
Ngopi-ngopi.
Lepas.
Laksa.
What's this, sir? What did you have?
Usually we call this bakso.
Bakso.
Yeah,
Oh, right.
bakso.
I'm drinking mineral water from Banga.
Oh, drinking the water.
Water? You drink the water? Oh, menu hari ni. Wow. Wow, check it out. Let's check the person in the kitchen. Hello. This one.
Hai,
Oh, Bangkok manis.
cakap manis. Ini RW?
Sampah tongkok dulu. Apa itu pijet?
Bukan. RW, ayam masak pedas dengan rempah-rempah.
Oh, nice. Oh, this one up next, huh? Saturday, 29th of November. Quick touch and go here in Banga. So going to check out coffee processing place at Ulu Homestay, and then after that we're off to Bario. Wow. Touch and go only Banga. Maybe next time. But good to be back, huh?
Usually for our graduation is this year.
My Earthlings coffee. Today not so much coffee.
Minggu depan pergi situ.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next series as we travel up to Bario.